If they wanted to, they would. Here's what it actually looks like when a hotel is trying to be sustainable.
For starters, they had bulk refillable body wash by the sink and shampoo, conditioner, and body wash in the shower.
It drives me crazy when hotels have some sort of green certification and then you walk into the room and the very first thing you see are single-use plastics.
Speaking of plastics, it's great to see clearly labeled recycling bins on site. I was impressed by the water situation. There was one plastic bottle per guest in the room, but the bottles are biodegradable and you can refill them from multiple water jugs around the property that are on top of these incredibly beautiful ceramic jugs. But wait, there's more. If you want another water bottle, you have to pay for it and request it from the reception, which you hopefully won't even need to do because they also give you reusable cups in the room. Moving on to towels, they do have this standard sign that you see in a lot of hotels, and they also tell you that you need to specifically request room cleaning. Last but not least, the breakfast situation was so great. They had a wonderful variety of fresh, traditional, healthy, and delicious options. It drives me crazy when I'm traveling in a foreign country and the main breakfast options are all generic American style food.
If a hotel is actually taking sustainable measures, it will be so obvious. Even just with surface level things like not having single-use plastics in the bathroom. If it's really clear from all of the surface level things that a hotel is trying to be sustainable, I have a lot more faith that they're being sustainable on the back end as well. Whereas if a hotel is saying they're sustainable but the surface level things are not even sustainable, then I'm really skeptical about whether or not the back end is sustainable.